Problem statement is to write a SQL query to find the second highest salary from the table, and it should display column employee name and the ID or the salary. So I'm going to use dense rank to solve this problem. So so let's say, so I already have a table with employee data. So let me just select that. So this is my database. So I'm going to use it, and this is my table. So let's see, like what kind of data we have. So so we have employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary. So salary, if you sort it, you can see first is 9,500, then 9,000, then 8,500, like that. So based on this question, the second I should be 9,000. Okay, and so we are going to use dense rank for this. So first, let's write a query where we can just use dense rank to do the ranking. Okay, so I'm just going to write it. Dense rank over. So here we are going to use salary column because we need to group salary rank from employees. Okay, so let's try to run it. And now we can see, so we got the salary ranks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we don't have any repeated values as such. Okay, so we are just going to create our query. So we already got like all the ranks of the salary. So out of this, what we can do, we can select the second number of the salary. So for that, I'm just going to do select all from. Okay, and I'm going to give it a name as salary ranked. Okay, and so what we just need um, a column from salary rank column where the value should be 2. Okay, so I'm just going to write it salary rank equals to 2. If we run it, it should return the second answer. So if we check here, so as you can see, the highest salary is 9,500 and the second highest is 9,000. So here we got our results. And again, so we only had to return these values. So what we can do here, so just instead of star, we can do, we need the employee ID. So we can do employee ID and then the employee name and then the salary. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, so here, so this is how we can find out the second highest salary. And also, if you are using dense rank and you want to find nth number of the salary, so then you can use just replace the salary rank equals to, let's say I just need fourth highest. Okay, so if I run it, I will get the fourth highest. So if I go back and just sort it here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our fourth highest. So this is how we find the nth highest salary. One more thing, so I just inserted some data into our table. These three new rows. So I inserted some salary with 9,000, 6,500, and one more with 6,500. So we are not going to need this. I'm just going to delete these rows and let's see what's the latest data we have. So if we run it, so I'm going to sort it based on the salary. So if you see here, now we have first highest as 9,500 then we have 9,000, 9,000, then 8,500, 8,000, like that. So now we got like multiple values for salary, like repeated value. So in this case, what will happen, like if you just do this, let's try to understand how dense rank is working here. So if we just try to run, let's run it all. Okay, so if you look here, so as you can see, like we got multiple values, um, and if you sort it in an order, we can see like first one is 9,500, then 9,000, then 9,000. So it's not going to treat 9,000 as like individual values for each row. So it's going to just pick it as one. So it's going to give it a rank. So let's say, so the highest one will be have rank one, and then these two will have rank two, then three, and like that. So if you go here and if you see, so this is how it has ranked these values. So this is the benefit of using dense rank. So if I, instead of four, if I do three, okay, and if we just run it, so it should return 1, 2, 3, the third one, 8,500 instead of 9,000. So if I run it, so we are getting 85. So this is how dense rank works.